Hi children. Children, we are going to solve the question number 12. What this question says, ABC is an isosceles triangle, right angle at B. So let's make it. ABC is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Right angle at B. Right angle at B. Isosceles means this and this side equal, children. Okay. Similar triangles ACD and ABE are constructed on sides AC and AB. Means on its sides some triangles are constructed. What? ACD on AC. On AC side some similar triangles constructed known as ACD, and on AB side one more triangle constructed, that is ABE. Children, there is an isosceles right angle triangle, on its side AC one triangle ACD is constructed, on side AB one triangle AEB is constructed, and these two are similar. These two triangles are similar, children. Okay, similar means what happens? There all angles are equal. That is this angle, all angles are equal. ACD and AB, order is not given. May the order may be correct or wrong, so I am not going to write the corresponding angles. Just to think that corresponding angles of these two will be similar, and ratio of corresponding sides will also be same, children. Okay, children. So here the main thing is that these two are equal. So what is given, children, and what we have to find out? Given in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree and its two sides isosceles, so AB side is equal to BC side. These two sides are equal. And given, children, triangle ACD given similar to triangle ABE. This is also given. And what you have to find out, children? Ratio between triangle AB and ACD. So we have to find out area of triangle ABE divided by R is to area of triangle ACD. This we have to find out, children. So very simple, children. Just I read the question and draw the figure. There was an isosceles triangle ABC which was right angle at B. Isosceles means this and this sides are equal. It is given that on its side AC one triangle ACD is constructed. On side AB one triangle AB is constructed, and these two are similar. Same thing I wrote in triangle ABC. Angle B is equal to 90 degree and side AB is equal to BC, and these two triangles are similar. What you have to find out? Ratio of area of triangle ABE and ACD we have to find out. So very simple, children. To find the ratio of areas, one formula is there. Because the triangles are similar, so formula is there. A ratio of, directly also is there, children. A ratio of two similar area of ratio of two similar triangles is just equal to a ratio of square of their corresponding sides. Do you remember the formula? If not, go to previous videos. It is clearly mentioned there. Okay, children. So means what? We need the ratio of corresponding sides. We can equate them. Okay. So for that, in triangle ABC, right angle at B, what we can take, children? Let AB is equal to BC is equal to A, X, Y, Z, because the two sides are equal. So I am taking it as A, A. So what happens? Triangle this one, by seeing this, what you can say, children? We can say that hypotenuse AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. How can you say? By Pythagoras theorem. Okay children, AC square is equal to AB how much children? A, that is A square, plus BC also how much children? A, I put it. Okay children, so AC square is equal to A square plus A square, 2A square. Apply root on both sides. AC square is equal to root under 2A square, or AC is equal to root 2 into A. Root 2 into A. Okay children? Right. Now we got the value of AC. Now we can do, because children AB value is A, BC value is A, and this value is root under 2 into A. Now we can find the ratio of areas. Since triangle, what is given? ABE. ABE similar to triangle ACD. Order is very important. ACD. How children? Given. So therefore, what can we write? Area of triangle ABE divided by area of triangle ACD is just equal to square of ratio of their corresponding sides, that is AB square by AC square is equal to BE square by CD square is equal to AE square by AD square. How children? A ratio of area of two similar triangles are equal to a ratio of squares of their corresponding sides, that is similar triangles area theorem. Okay children, so that is area of triangle AB by area of triangle ACD is equal to AB, here AB is A, that is A square, by AC root under 2A whole square is equal to A square by root 2 whole square to A square cancel 1 by 2, that is area of triangle AB is to area of triangle ACD is equal to 1:2. This we have to prove children. Hence proved. It's a very simple theorem.